To set up a fingerprint unlock in a Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first you're gonna open a settings on your smartphone device. Next step is to look for the lock screen and AOD. Select it, then find the screen lock and biometrics on the top, unlock your phone, and here you should be able to find fingerprints. Click on it, and now just continue and click on register. Now you need to touch the bottom side of your screen right here where the fingerprint is located from different directions and angles until your fingerprint is fully set up. So I'm already at 60%. Let me finish that. And we're done. Our fingerprint is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.